Hello everyone, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Lulu's AI Daily Brief, your tech intelligence brief. Here's today's latest AI news for July 1th, 2026. We have 12 stories. Let's get into it. Here's your quick overview. Coming up, Anthropic drops Claude Sonnet 5, the cheaper agent engine targeting GPT-5.5. Etched hits $5 billion valuation. Nvidia's first serious chip rival breaks $1 billion in sales. X launches official MCP server. Social data now flows natively into AI agents. Acti embeds AI agents directly into your phone keyboard. No app switching needed. And more in today's 12-story brief. Let's dive in. Anthropic just dropped Claude Sonnet 5, a new mid-tier model built specifically for AI agents, with dramatically lower inference costs. It's being pitched as a direct, cheaper alternative to GPT-5.5, and developers are already stress-testing its stability on multi-step workflows like data extraction and automated research. But here's the catch: no official benchmarks or pricing yet, all we have are third-party reports. In a major shakeup for AI infrastructure, chip startup Etched has hit a $5 billion valuation, and more importantly, $1 billion in actual AI chip sales. That makes it the first real, revenue-proven competitor to Nvidia. Why does this matter? Because companies building massive AI clusters are now actively diversifying their hardware stack, and that could mean lower costs and faster procurement down the line. X just launched its official MCP server, making real-time tweets, trending topics, and public user data directly accessible to AI agents via Anthropic's Open Model Context Protocol. It's the first major social platform to do this, and it means your agents can now detect breaking news or sentiment shifts without messy web scraping or rate-limited APIs. But, big caveat, pricing, availability, and usage limits haven't been announced yet. By the way, if this brief helps, please subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a daily update. Acti is rolling out a bold new way to use AI agents, right inside your smartphone keyboard. No app switching, just tap, type, and trigger tasks like sending messages or checking prices while staying in WhatsApp or Instagram. It's early, but this could redefine how billions interact with AI daily, though privacy and real-world performance remain unverified. Google just unveiled Nano Banana 2 Lite, a leaner, faster, and cheaper version of its image generator designed for high-throughput workflows. Think, generating hundreds of social media thumbnails or product mockups per minute, not museum-quality art. It's available now on Vertex AI, and if your team burns through credits fast, this could be a serious budget saver. A new open-source toolkit called JetSpec promises up to 10 times faster LLM decoding, and it's already being used internally by StepFun. Unlike theoretical speedups, JetSpec focuses on real-world deployment, low latency, minimal code changes, and compatibility with existing models. If verified, this could slash cloud inference bills for chatbots and agents, especially those needing sub-second response times. Meet Ornith 1.0, an open-source AI model that doesn't just write code, but teaches itself to write better code. Using something called self-scaffolding, it generates and refines its own training data to evolve independently. It's aimed squarely at agent programming, and while the full paper isn't out yet, early coding benchmarks suggest it's no toy. For builders, this is one of the first truly self-improving coding models you can actually fork and test. OpenAI just dropped GeneBench-Pro, a full-scale, real-world benchmark for testing AI in genomics, protein folding, and biomedical research. Unlike flashy demos, this is a rigorous, dataset-driven evaluation tool, complete with case studies showing how models handle actual DNA sequence analysis. But fair warning, it's OpenAI's own benchmark, tested on OpenAI models, so independent validation will be key before adoption. Anthropic didn't release a new model, they released Claude Science, a prepackaged set of research workflows for reading papers, designing experiments, and analyzing data. It's a sharp pivot toward productized AI, where domain expertise, not just parameter count, defines value. For science teams, this could save weeks of prompt engineering, but it also raises a bigger question: are we entering the era where AI wins by workflow, not weight? OpenAI quietly published its first-ever ChatGPT adoption report, and the numbers tell a powerful story. Usage isn't just growing in volume, but in depth. People aren't just asking basic questions anymore, they're exploring advanced features, switching languages, and using it across more devices and contexts. It's proof that AI has crossed into the mainstream, which means your next product roadmap should assume users already know how to talk to machines. Meta's brain-computer interface team just published a major paper in a Nature subjournal, reporting record-breaking real-time accuracy in decoding neural signals. This isn't sci-fi speculation, it's peer-reviewed science pushing BCI closer to real-world usability. While commercial applications are still years away, the implications for future AI interfaces, think thought-controlled agents or adaptive neurofeedback, are anything but theoretical. IBM Research just launched ScarfBench, the first benchmark designed to test how well AI agents handle real Java enterprise work, things like upgrading Spring Boot versions or migrating legacy code bases. It's narrow, practical, and painfully relevant, because if your AI can't safely refactor production Java, it's not ready for the dev team's daily workflow. This is the kind of grounded, vertical testing the industry desperately needs. That's all for today's Lulu's AI Daily Brief. If this was helpful, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video. I'm Lulu. See you tomorrow.